Choosing the wrong lifting hardware can be costly, leading to potential injury and property damage. When lifting heavy parts, it's what's below the hook that counts. Typical eye bolts can fail, causing detrimental crashes of equipment, insurance claims, personal injury, and even lawsuits. This could happen to you. Eye bolts and other lifting hardware can be easily bent, cracked, stretched open, thread stripped, or overstressed, all leading to catastrophic failure. It had the proper torque, but it wasn't at the right tension. Jergens has the answer: the Lift Check Hoist Ring. When installing your hoist ring, it's all about tension, not torque. A properly tightened hoist ring saves lives and money. Jergens' new and innovative Lift Check Hoist Rings let you see the proper tension has been applied and when it's safe to lift. When drawing up the proper tension on the Lift Check Hoist Ring, a visual tension indicator on the top will show if it's safe to lift. There's no need for a torque wrench or calibration. Using a standard box wrench, the indicator turns from red to black when there is proper tension, clearly illustrating whether the hoist ring is loose or tight. Red means no, black means go. Even if you're interrupted during setup, when you return, the visual indicator will show you if it is safe to lift. Make sure your application is secure and ready to lift. Take the doubt out of your next lift with Jergens Lift Check built-in tension indication system. Avoid insurance claims and OSHA fines. Hands-free inspection at a distance prior to the lift. Reduces installation time. Just use a box wrench. No torque wrench or calibration needed. Jergens Lifting Solutions. Rugged, American-made quality, where safety is job one.